While designing a process at eFlow Designer, I want the users enter minimum manual data. So I have a tool for setting some data. This is the calculate tool. I drag and drop this tool. Honestly, at eFlow, if a process doesn't have any calculate tool, I won't call it a process because using this calculate tool is so efficient. So, for example, in order to set some data elements, let's say the requester, I will use the formula window. I have functions here, or you can use C# pods. For example, for requester, I have a function, we call it initiator, the same function that we use already at Excel. So this initiator function will just set the requester of this process, and I write to the description set requester. I can just copy and paste this tool, and this time let's set the date of request. For example, let's set the date and let's use another function. Let's use now function. Now function will show the date of today when I start a process, and I can also drag and drop another tool, and I can set the another data element request number, and I select the request number. And for this I use so often another function, instance ID. So instance ID will give a unique number for this process. Okay, by using control I can just bring these calculate tools inside the process, and at task form this time, as the requester, the date of request and also the request number will be set, I can select them read only, and when I save the process and when I activate this process, once I run the process at eFlow user interface, I will see all this information set. Let's check it. Let's go to our process, purchase request. Let's start the process and see the requester, the date of request, and the request number. They are set and read only. All right, let's go back to our designer. Let's see some more features.